User interface, so more stuff. So suspending tasks, you can now individually suspend tasks to skip them and resume them later. We can also, when you right-click and suspend an actual job, you can choose whether you wish to suspend all the tasks, all the non-rendering tasks within that job. So this means it allows you to suspend a job, but any of the tasks that are currently allocated in terms of processing, so you're not introducing any wastage, allow them those current rendering tasks to finish, but everything else that's still currently in, say, the queued state, that then gets suspended. So it's a great way to really kind of do some test jobs, get some stuff going through, perhaps just suspend individual ad hoc tasks in the queue. We've also improved pull and group management improvements here. So search and filter slaves in the management windows. We can filter those. We've got slave list columns that are available in the management windows, and we can target, as a result, specific slaves in the slave list. Let's just have a look at some of those things now. So if we go into the pools and groups management, you can see here that we have the ability to filter the slaves by the filtering system which you're used to in the jobs panel, for example. And so we can add multiple filters here for a particular machine. Can I find my Windows 7 machine? We'll call that filter name that, and we'll connect to the actual slave name, and which is there, and it contains something, contains win. We can add that, and we can see here that it's filtered because my Win 7 machine is obviously filtered by that. Let's clear that filter. So when we've got lots of slaves, it's much easier to configure and sort out what pools and groups the different slaves are assigned, and to manage and to view them. We've got the same functionality. This is in managed pools, but the same functionality in managed groups as well. And as I said before, in terms of suspending individual tasks, you can see here that I've got some frames here that are queued, but I can quite happily randomly select a few tasks, and I can resume those, complete those, fail those. So tasks which perhaps are currently queued or processing, I can actually now, this new feature, suspend the tasks. But over and above that, I can actually right-click the overall job, and here we see that we can suspend the tasks that are currently rendering. We now have this new option here on whether or not you wish to actually do that, and whether it actually suspends all of them. Obviously, ones that are failed or completed will just be left as they currently are in those states.